guys, today I wanted to show you this top from Quincy. So I actually wore this top for my birthday party. My favorite part is the back. It's a backless shirt. It's so cute. I love it so much. I wore it to my birthday party last Saturday and we took super cute photos. It looked so cute in the photos. It was definitely one of my favorite outfits I've ever worn. You can tuck it in like this or you could wear it all the way out. It's super stretchy. The material feels so good. And when I go like this, the straps do not fall because there's actually like a silicone right here that helps it stick to your skin. The material is super breathable, it's soft, it's stretchy, it's super stylish. You can wear this to vacations, to birthdays, to cities, wherever you want. I think it's so cute. The back is like definitely my favorite part. It's actually my first backless shirt like this, so I really like it. It's like a icy blue color. I've styled it with some jeans. I wore this to my party, the black jeans. You can definitely wear like a skirt, some dress pants, maybe other colored jeans, really whatever you want, whatever catches your eye. So if you're looking for anything that's super stylish and you like how this looks, then I would definitely try trying it.